Hi everyone. Let's talk about the word can. Can means able to. You can say, I am able to talk. I am able to talk. She is able to run. She is able to run. The birds are able to fly. The birds are able to fly. But we can use can. This is a lot. Let's use can. I can take all of this and I can say can. 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 So then I can write a different sentence. This here is just the verb be. Remember, be is am, is, and are. Now I can write I can talk. She can run. And the birds can fly. So just remember, can means able to, but this is a lot easier. I can talk. She can run. The birds can fly. Let's practice writing some sentences with can. So for a sentence, remember, we have a subject, can, and then a verb. You can also make a longer sentence, but this makes a complete sentence. So if we have a subject with a pronoun, pronouns, remember, are words like I, you, he, she, it, they, we. You can also have a person like Juan or Julia. Maybe a place or a thing, the house, the dog, the school. Okay, let's look at a sentence with a pronoun. You might say something like, I can write a sentence. You can use any combination you want. You can put these together how you want, but you always have a subject, like they can swim in the pool. You can also just say they can swim. That's okay too. You might say something like Julia can read at the library. Or maybe we can play video games. You can say we can play video games all night. So this is how you write the sentences. You can make them short, like I can write. Or you can make it longer. I can write a sentence. Or I can write many sentences. Let's talk about questions now. So we have many kinds of questions for can. And look, the order changes a little bit. It changes. Now we put can first. Can is first. So here's an example. Can she read a book? Can she read a book? You can say yes. You can say yes, she can. You can also say yes, she can read. You can also say yes, she can read a book. There are many ways to answer. You can just say yes, or you might just say she can. Let's look at another example. When we say no, can you fly an airplane? Can you fly an airplane? Maybe you say no, or you can say no, I cannot, or no, I cannot fly an airplane. Watch though, cannot is usually two words, but you can put it together as just one. You can write it this way or this way. If we write, excuse me, if we write a contraction where we put the words together, it's can't. So you might say, can you fly an airplane? You might say something like, I can't. I can't, or no, I can't. Or no, I can't fly. I can't fly an airplane. Let's look at other kinds of questions with question words. Question words like where, when, who. So first, we just add a question word at the beginning of the same sentence form. This is the same as can you go? It's the same. So you might say, when can you go? So let's look at an example. Where can we eat? Where can we eat? So we can eat. We can eat, but where? In the cafeteria. We can eat in the cafeteria. When can they go home? When can they go home? They can go home, but when? They can go home at 2 o'clock. They can go home at 2 o'clock. Who can speak 2 languages? Who can speak 2 languages? Who? You? You can speak 2 languages. Wow, that is pretty special. Maybe 3 languages, maybe 4. You can speak 2 languages. All right, I know this is a lot, but keep studying. You can do it.